guys, so this is what we need in our steak. We have the black pepper, steak, ribeye, we have the butter, herba, naman, garlic, and albadilla sea salt. So we're gonna make it simple only, and we're gonna use only the salt, butter, pepper, garlic, the basic one. So we're gonna stop up with black pepper. And salt. Albadilla, baka naman. After that, we'll just turn it around, and then that's it. Hi, baby. Hi, Dora.
Daddy, I'm baby Dora.
Oh, your baby Dora? Yeah, that's my daughter. And salt. Yeah. Okay. For our mashed potato, we're gonna need this one: butter, potato, albadilla sea salt, albadilla fresh milk, and freshly ground black pepper. That's all we're gonna need only for the mashed potato. So guys, yeah, we're gonna start now. So I'm gonna put some katarat. They usually use olive oil for this one, but I don't have olive oil, so I'm gonna use smoked oil. So you hear that, guys? So at this rate, we're gonna put the butter now. I did put lots of butter because I'm gonna need the oil later for the rice and for the gravy also. Yung kukuha na niya yung mag-iina niya. So guys, ano siya. I'm just gonna rest this one, and we're going to make the steak rice. Ah, dali lang. Sardines. Okay, so we're just going to make the gravy now. So guys, this is the jus, the leftover jus from the steak. We're just going to put some flour on it. We're gonna make the gravy, guys. A little more flour. This rate, guys, we're gonna add the sage. At this rate, guys, we're gonna add the water slowly. Slowly nga sabi, pinigla mo naman, loko ka talaga. I don't have the whisk, so just in our home. So this is the steak, right? It's rested, so that's a secret bowl. And this is the leftover earlier, so we're gonna use this one and the steak rice. Some people do the beef stock, some add chicken stock, but I prefer both half on both. So I'm gonna use beef and chicken. So one cube has a ratio of like 2 to 3 cups of water for the salt level. So I'm just gonna use only half here and a bit here also. So this is my leftovers. Oops. Our finale is the butter. Charan!
Libo tapos na.
Black pepper. Tak, tak, tak. Tak, 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 tak. So guys, gawa tayo ng hand blender na Philips. Hi guys, I forgot to record the video earlier when I put the salt and the pepper. So approximately on that potato it's like 300 grams. It's like pinch of salt and like half teaspoon of black pepper and like 1/4 cup of milk. Man, okay na yan. I like it with the little chunks, so we're gonna stop on this. Can I? Ayan. Mashed potato natin guys. It's our steak, ha? Hey guys, wow. Serious? Yan yung gravy natin guys. And see our mashed potato with steak. Gutom ka na? Kain na tayo. Steak natin guys, oh.